Hello and welcome to a new tutorial with Zenphi. Today we're going to be going over how you can create conditional dashboard pages which will allow you to hide certain information from your dashboard from certain users. Maybe there's sensitive information like a client's email, their phone number, specific documents that you don't want all of your staff to be able to see, for example. This makes it really easy to be able to enhance HIPAA compliance and make sure that all of your information is safe. So let's go ahead and get started. The first step is going to be to create your dashboard. It's very simple to create a dashboard, and once you do so, we can go ahead and add the visibility filters. To create a dashboard, all you have to do is click on the plus icon to add a new widget, and there's different ones that you can choose from. So for this example, we're going to have one page for clinicians and one page that we have for admins only, since we don't want all of the clinicians to be able to see the reports, their phone numbers, etc. So to be able to do this, first we have to go to our settings inside of our workspace. To be able to do this, you have to make sure you have administrator access inside of your Zenphi workspace. So we're going to click on the gear down at the bottom and then go up to where it says Workspace Users. And as you can see up at the top, it says Manage User Attributes. So if we click here, we're able to either create a new attribute or change any existing ones. So in this case, I have created one that is called isAdmin. That way we're able to indicate if someone is an admin or not. If you wish to create a new user attribute, all you have to do is click on New. Here you would add a name. So for example, I can put admin. We're going to select Boolean. And default value, this would be what is assigned to everyone when they sign up. We obviously don't want everyone to have admin access. So here we would put false and click on Create. And then if you go back to your users, you're going to see that you have a symbol to the right where it says user attributes. So if you click there, you're able to select from the different attributes. Here's one that we created, the one that's called admin, and we can change the value to true. So after we click on add, then we can close. Very important that whenever you add or remove a user attribute, you need to have all of the users log out and log back in to ensure that all of the changes are seen. And now if we go back to our flow, we're going to go to the admins only page. And here what we could do is up at the top where it says visibility filter, we're going to click here and we're going to add a condition. So here you have the option to see all of your different user attributes as well as user ID and user email in case you want to be able to allow only certain domain, for example, or just a couple emails, you can write those there. So here what I would do is select admin is equal to true, and that means that whoever has the user attribute of admin with true as the condition, they would be able to see this. Now, since the account that I'm working on does not have admin access, I am not able to see the page. But if I go back and I edit, so I click here true, now I'm able to see the page. Now, if a user doesn't have access to a certain page due to the user attributes and the visibility filter, don't worry, they won't be able to tell that you have a certain page hidden from them. As you can see here, there's only one tab here and one tab here, meaning they're not able to see that anything is missing or is restricted from them. However, it can be very simple to be able to make sure that this information is secure and enhance the data security for your patients or any other information from your clients. If you have any questions, make sure to leave it down in the comments section, and I'm going to have 2 videos linked in the description, how you can learn to build dashboards as well as implement action buttons to be able to chart flows directly from your dashboards. Thank you so much for watching.